When the power grid fails and darkness falls, most people try to heat their whole house or a big room. But here's the truth. In a blackout, you lose most of your body heat to the air inside your shelter, not outside. The real battle isn't about making more heat. It's about keeping what you have. I've survived sub-zero nights in the wild, and the same principles apply at home. Conserve, don't create. Forget heating the whole room. Without a furnace, that's impossible. Instead, focus on heating your body directly. We'll break down the science of heat transfer and show you how to use everyday items to keep warm. You'll learn to create microclimates, small insulated spaces that trap warmth where you need it most. This isn't theory, it's practical survival. By the end, you'll know why heating air is a losing game and how to use materials like water and stone to store and radiate heat. The difference between enduring and suffering is knowledge. Let's master the cold. Heating the air in your room during a blackout is like pouring water into a leaky bucket. Air is a poor conductor and storer of heat. The moment you stop heating, warmth vanishes, absorbed by cold walls, floors and ceilings. Heat always moves from hot to cold, and your home is full of surfaces eager to steal it. Even worse, tiny cracks and gaps let warm air escape and cold air rush in. You're not just losing heat, you're wasting precious fuel. The truth: heating air in a large space without constant energy is futile. It gives a false sense of security that disappears when the fuel runs out. Instead, focus on warming your body and the objects in direct contact with you. Stop thinking like a homeowner, start thinking like a survivalist. Abandon the fight against the air. Embrace a smarter strategy. Warmth is about mass, not empty space. If air is your enemy, mass is your ally. Thermal mass, materials that absorb, store and release heat, are your secret weapon. Dense objects like water and stone act as heat batteries. A brick wall stays warm long after sunset. That's thermal mass at work. Water is especially powerful, storing huge amounts of energy. Stones, bricks and ceramics heat up quickly and release warmth slowly. The strategy: use your limited fuel to charge these objects, not the air. Heat water or stones, then let them radiate warmth for hours. You're not just consuming heat, you're managing it. Concentrate energy into a few pounds of rock or litres of water, not 1,000 cubic feet of air. This shift is the key to efficient, reliable warmth. Store heat where it matters. Control your comfort. Water's high heat capacity makes it a powerful tool for warmth. A hot water bottle is a simple, effective personal heater. Use a sturdy, leak-proof container, rubber, silicone, or a quality metal bottle. Heat water until it's steaming, not boiling, and fill the bottle 2/3 full. Squeeze out air before sealing. Air doesn't hold heat. Always wrap the bottle in a towel or thick sock to prevent burns and slow heat loss. Place it near your core, lower back, between thighs, or on your chest. Pre-warm your bed by placing it near your feet before you get in. 1 or 2 hot water bottles can keep your core temperature stable all night. It's a low-tech, high-impact survival tool. Use it wisely and you'll stay warm for hours. Direct, portable heat beats heating the air every time. Before hot water bottles, people used heated stones for warmth, a method that still works today. Choose smooth, dense, dry stones. Avoid cracked or wet ones. Heat them near, not in, the fire for at least an hour, turning occasionally. Handle with care. Use tongs or thick cloth. Wrap each stone in wool or thick fabric to diffuse heat and prevent burns. Place wrapped stones at your feet or beside your torso, outside your blankets. They'll radiate steady warmth all night. This ancient skill can turn a freezing night into a comfortable one. Stones are nature's heat batteries, reliable, safe and reusable. Use them to create lasting dry heat. Survival wisdom from the past, ready for today. To keep your heat from escaping, shrink your world. Create a microclimate, a small insulated space within your home. Your bed is your first microclimate. Layer blankets to trap air and warmth. Drape blankets over chairs or a line to make a tent over your bed, trapping heat from your body and hot water bottles. If you must leave bed, set up a nest in the smallest, most interior room. Closet or bathroom works. Hang blankets to section off a small area and lay rugs or blankets on the floor for insulation. In a tiny space, your body heat alone can raise the temperature by a few degrees. Insulate from below as well as above. Floors steal heat fast. Use cardboard, newspapers or extra blankets under you. Keep your feet off bare floors. By building these insulated nests, you make every bit of warmth count. Small spaces, big difference. Our ancestors mastered warmth without modern tech. In old European castles, four-poster beds with heavy curtains created a room within a room, trapping body heat and warmth from bed warmers. The principle, don't heat the castle, heat the person. Draping blankets over your bed today uses the same science. The Romans heated stone floors and walls with their hypocaust system, turning buildings into giant radiators. They didn't heat air, they heated mass. These time-tested methods prove small insulated spaces and thermal mass are the keys to survival. The technology changes, but the principles endure. Learn from the past to stay warm now. In desperation, many turn to propane or kerosene heaters indoors, a deadly mistake. Combustion heaters burn oxygen and produce carbon monoxide, an invisible killer. Every year, people die from using outdoor heaters or grills inside during blackouts. Even indoor-safe heaters need ventilation, but sealing your home traps toxins. Fire risk is high too. In contrast, hot water bottles and heated stones are safe. No combustion, no fumes, just stored heat. The only risk is a burn, easily avoided with proper wrapping. In survival, safety is everything. Choose radiant heat from thermal mass, reliable, long-lasting and safe. Don't trade warmth for danger. To master the cold, change your mindset. Most people are passive heat consumers. When the furnace fails, they're helpless. Survivors become heat bankers. Treat every heat source as income and deposit it into thermal mass. Water bottles, stones, ceramic pots. Withdraw heat when and where you need it. This puts you in control, not at the mercy of the grid. The same goes for your body. Eat hot meals, add layers, huddle together. Each action is a deposit or insulation against loss. Every decision, am I wasting heat or banking it? Shift from consumer to manager and you'll endure any blackout. Survival is about smart choices, not brute force. Bank your heat and you'll stay warm when it matters most.